Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful YouTube family, and hello to any new viewers. If you're new, my name is Anna and I post new videos every single week, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Today I thought I would touch base on my Louis Vuitton Clapton backpack. It has been almost a year since I did my first unboxing and shared my review with you all, and I just thought I would do an updated review and just share with you whether or not I think the bag is still worth it, whether I would purchase it again, and the pros and cons of the backpack. So here she is in all her glory. I have to say this is one of the bags that I personally, I don't know if this is a good or a bad thing, but it definitely looks much prettier in person than I thought it did when I looked at it online. I purchased this bag online because they didn't have it anywhere in stores. This was my first ever Louis Vuitton bag, and I'll just kind of give like a brief overview of it, share with you the pros and the cons. So this backpack does come in one other color, and it's the exact same leather except this beige color here is pink. And just for size reference, I am about 5'2". I am shorter. I think that this bag fits perfectly. Just so you can see up close, here is the bag. The leather is kind of folding in just a little bit right now, but only because the bag is empty. When I have my bag filled with all my belongings, then it usually holds its form pretty well. And up close, I feel like I'm so tacky for this, but I still have like the plastic strip on there, and I didn't even notice it until like a few days ago. It has the LV logo there on the buckle and the Louis Vuitton logos there on the sides of the bag. So when you open up the bag, of course, you have the logo there as well, and it is very spacious, honestly. And then there are magnetic clasps in between here, so it just kind of folds shut just like that. And then there is also a very big pocket there also. Okay, so I was torn between this backpack and the infamous Palm Springs backpack, and looking back now, I would 10 out of 10 still get this bag. I just think this one definitely looks really classy. Not that the Palm Springs one doesn't, but I think this is a backpack that you just don't see as much, and I love that it has the light leather and the gold here. I just think it looks like a really classy touch. So for the big question, would I buy this bag again? Yes, I would definitely purchase her again if I had to. I think that one of the main reasons I do love this bag is because of the versatility and all the different ways you can wear the bag, and that is a huge thing I look for in bags. If you are spending a ton of money, not just a couple $100s on a purse, I think one of the first things I look at is how many different ways I can wear it. So what I love about this one is you can wear it as a top handle, so you can essentially remove both straps. Okay, so you can just remove both straps and carry it around as a top handle. You can have it kind of just held on your arm right here. I must say I've never worn it without the straps, but I do like to put it around my wrist like this sometimes. So okay, the next way to wear the bag, which I've only done this about once or twice, is just take one strap, and I have it on the shortest loop right now, and you can just wear it as a regular purse. And again, I am 5'2", so just for reference, it does go about mid-length on my thigh, right below my hip. And even just wearing it like this, I think is so cute. It just looks like a regular purse. So you just took a backpack and made it into a purse. The next way to wear this bag, which I have been doing most recently, is to take both straps on the bag and just throw it on the side, kind of like that. I just find that that's the easiest way to wear the bag. And then if I'm doing a lot of walking, I'll just wear it on as a backpack. So I'll show you what it looks like as a backpack. And I have it on the shortest strap, and it just kind of falls right above my bum, I guess you would say. And it's just really comfy. It's great for traveling because it keeps you hands-free. As far as the quality of the bag, I personally have been taking very good care of this bag, whereas some of my other purses I would just kind of toss around, and I would, you know, throw food in there and snacks, and, you know, just let my lip glosses kind of go everywhere in my bag, whereas I feel like this one I am very conscious of what I put inside this bag and how neatly organized it is. But I definitely have my busy days where I stuff this really full, and it just holds its shape extremely well. It fits so much for a small backpack. I can fit so many things in this purse, so I guess I can share that with you right now. That way you can all see the storage capacity of this purse. Okay, so I have everything that I normally carry on my average day laid out right here. So I'll just throw it all in here. I don't really carry that much, but I'll just give you a good idea. So I have my phone that goes in here. My Canon G7X usually, or the camera that I'm filming on, they're about the same size. I will usually carry a small tripod depending on where I'm going. My Saint Laurent card slot wallet. I carry a comb or a brush everywhere with me that I go. Some chapstick. A clicker for taking photos, my Chanel lipstick, AirPods, hand sanitizer, my Gucci sunglasses, which I don't have the case with me right now, but the case fits in here just fine. And then last but not least, my keys. Oh my gosh, my poor glasses are going to get scratched up. This is everything inside, and as you can see, there is clearly much more room available if I did want to bring more into the bag. Okay, so I just closed it, and as you can see, as I was mentioning earlier, when the bag isn't filled, the leather folds in a bit, but this is just holding its shape absolutely perfect. So yeah, I hope you found this updated review helpful. If you are looking to purchase the Louis Vuitton Clapton backpack, I always do an updated review on all my luxury purchases, just because I know you all find my reviews very helpful, and there are some bags when I look back and I'm like, I don't know if I would get it again, but this one is still my favorite bag out of all of my purses to this day. I just think it's really beautiful. I never went over cons because I don't really think there are any cons with this bag other than the price point, if I'm being quite honest. It has held its shape, its quality, its color, and I can fit so much into this backpack. I get complimented on this bag the most. If you are thinking of purchasing it and it's been on your mind, on your wish list, I definitely think you won't regret it. Alright, that is it for my video today, my updated review. I hope you found this helpful. Again, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I will see you all in another video again soon. Bye!